Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to use Bluesky. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open App Store and click on search and write Bluesky. And click on this and press get. Alright, and click on open. Alright, create account or singing and select your language. Alright, click on done and press create account. Hosting provider, write your email and write your password and your breath. Click on done. Alright, and click on next. Write your username and click on next. Alright, and click on allow, continue, and select your interests. And let's go. Open home page and click on this search and this message and this notification and this your profile. Alright, click on home and click on left corner the search, home, chat, notification, feeds, list, profile and settings. Alright, discover and click on this profile and follow, unfollow. Alright, scroll down, back and following. Alright, and click on this. Click on this and this repost and like. Alright, create first post. Click on this right corner, send confirmation, verify your email. Alright, close and write your first post. And click on right corner, post. Your post published and click on edit profile and click on avatar and change avatar, upload from camera, upload from library, and select and choose. Alright, and background phone, upload from library. Alright, and click on choose and write display name, write description. Alright, and click on right corner save and post your post and replace, media, likes, feeds, starter pack and list. Alright, and that's all.